Hello, everybody. Today we're playing Brokey with a little buddy of mine. He's gonna pop down in 3, 2, 1.
LeBron!
And stats are very trash of the game. And yeah, so this is that. And he's really
Okay, I
broke.
see how it is.
And he has a gambling addiction. Alright,
I see how it
anyways,
is.
so today's video, we're gonna be defeating the Wendigo monster. So this guy.
He's the one who
And,
stole all my
yeah.
shite.
Oh
All my
my
fine
God.
shites. He stole all
No,
my fine shites.
no. So for the play, here, hey. Alright, no. Oh, okay, you already. So our play is. Whoa! Buy a. Since I bought the big bag, buy a flashlight for us. There. Jesus. Okay. So our play is to go down the sewers, right?
Get pipes.
And just pipes. Yeah. First of all,
Pipes
we're
are
gonna need a pipe.
very important.
Yeah, and we're gonna get a bunch of those green material, even the gray material. Alright, well,
Let's go.
follow me. Okay. I don't know why they had this little glitch code thing. Oh. Teleport to you. Okay, whip out your sticks. Let's get these green guys.
Yo, are we alive? Yo, why he just... Oh my god.
Yes, I'm alive. Oh my
Yo.
god, yo. What?
Yo, the effects aren't here.
Very strange.
There was one stick.
Yeah, break these grids up. They give you a lot.
Yeah. I'm already at 401. 401k!
Grab this. Grab this.
I have a bag full of sticks. Beat his ass! Beat his ass!
I'm not trying to be free or die.
It's okay, Pookie! Run! Oh, I got him. Hell yeah. Oh, and I got an arrow out of it. A light arrow!
Where you at?
I'm right here. Yo. Stand still, stand still, stand still, stand still, stand still. Look what I got. There you go.
Nice.
Is that in your vision?
That totally doesn't block my entire vision, but whatever. Jump the bastard! Feel his hot breath on me.
Hell yeah. Bomb! Let's go. Oh my god! Pookie, help! He blew me up.
Of course, you're the first one to die.
Shut up.
What a nerd.
He blew me up. Help me.
Okay, hold on.
Pookie, please! I don't want to respawn!
Where are you?
I'm right there. I'm right there.
Oh.
Thank
Ow.
you, Pookie.
Can you not move, maybe?
Alright, there we go.
Where's the pipe? Pipes anywhere. Pipes anywhere. Bombs!
It's mine!
Collect these.
I got a pipe. Don't steal my pipe. Oh, fuck.
I'm stealing it.
That was my pipe.
He's coming. Let's get in here. Here's your pipe. Oh, okay, yeah. Here's your pipe for killing him.
Thank you!
Sprung!
Sproing a doing a loing.
Trade you the sprung for the pipe.
Hell no.
Ouch. What ass?
Shut up. I'm Berber.
Why the feck's not here?
I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's kind of gay, Jojo.
No, I don't have it anywhere.
Oh.
Baseball bat! My baseball bat!
Go ahead, take it. Bomb! Pitiful. Oh. I mean, we living in a world of sunshine and rainbows. Holy fuck!
I started way more time. Oh my god.
Alright. Oh!
Okay, this can also get us nuts, by the way, so don't blame me.
Shut up. I got a research point. Let's go. Are we good, or are we gonna keep going?
Hoverboard. I think we're good. How much coins do you got? I got almost 1,000.
Yeah, same. I got 1,000. Hi!
So you're gonna kill him, or are you just gonna let him sit there?
I'm trying.
I got a hoverboard, and this can last me forever.
Bro! You can't be serious. And he dies dead! I hate you. I hate you with all... Kerpow! That's yours, that's yours. Oh my god. This world is a world of sunshine and rainbows. Fuck you, God.
Mission successful. I am making it out of here.
Fuck you.
Come on.
Ugh.
Alright, tell me what you scavenged today. I'll show you mine.
I need to pick a bag.
Here's all the stuff I scavenged.
3 Coke
you have
cans.
so much
and 2
Coke?
Bag. I don't know. Those 3 of them right there.
Okay, I'm keeping the hoverboard.
Okay.
Help me throw this stuff in. Actually, whoa, whoa, whoa! Bro.
It's okay, Pookie. Don't worry about it. You know you can just put it in a bag and throw it in there, right? You have enough money. You can buy another bag.
This is why I don't like playing Broke AF with you.
Shut up. Shut up. Just shut up, okay? You have no room to talk. You're no better than me.
Okay, click the buttons.
Oh my god.
Oh my wow. Wow.
Yeah, that's right. You heard me. I don't fucking get. Oh.
We made a miserable $920.
I can't spend it on anything. Except another bag. Why are you so upset? Where do we go next? Do you want to go back to sewers, or do you want to go to mines?
How much chance do you think we get? How much lives do you think we get? Only one life to fight him.
To fight who?
The Wendigo.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe like 2. to give us a second chance, but also
Okay,
to
well,
keep
I'm
the
gonna tell you
video
this.
short.
When you fight him, you're gonna want to need this. Alright,
want
so you
that?
can.
Okay.
Yeah, I know ball.
Okay. Let's go to mines. We can get some
Maybe
mad cash
goop.
over there.
Should we make a goop invention? Should we go for a goop run?
I don't know. My fucking pipe. At least I have these.
I think we should go for a goop run. I'll buy you big bags. All right.
Okay.
We can make like a really cool invention.
In
At least-
Broke AF.
Yeah, somewhat help us fight against the Wendigo. Cause have you seen him, bro? He's tall.
He's massive, dude. Wait, we should save the goop invention for last.
And you know what?
Because we don't have stash. So we can't store the goop.
Yeah, you're right. Okay,
let's
that'll
get-
be our last stop. First,
let's get-
where we going?
We need to get hella cash, so let's go to mines.
Yeah.
Get some manyan, bro. Straight cash. I also need these.
I don't really want to open the board anymore. Literally just break everything and we'll go to the bottom. Why don't I look like this thing?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to dip?
Oh, you ready? Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god. Why are you so obsessed with me?
This is all we got, so much stuff.
We got some mad gold for real.
Literally like $2. Or like, my bet is 300 and... Oh.
I think that's a bit more than 300. Alright. 500.
200. 600.
600? What did I get? 500, I'm better than you.
Whatever.
Yeah, sure.
Wait,
Be
come here.
mad. Pookie Bear.
Yes?
I got the hip slot.
You have another one?
No. I don't have, I need 5
Pathetic.
more research points.
Alright, I got a question. Do you think if you bought this,
Mm-hmm.
which is the 50,000 nuts, would that transfer to this account and your
No.
or to this to the broke AF money and your not broke AF money, or would it just stay on broke AF?
It's a good question.
Let's test that. No.
Don't
Alright,
even.
think we're ready
For what?
to fight.
What?
You want to get the feel of it, and then we just like run. Not fight him. At least like get the feel of it, you know.
Get the feel of what?
Fighting him.
Oh. Yeah.
Could you buy me a crowbar?
No problemo.
Alright.
What did you spend your money on?
Nothing. Why
did-
ask questions?
I
Okay. Follow
don't know,
me.
I'm a little suspicious. I'm kind of sussy of you, sussy baka. Wait, I don't have a sproing a doing aloing. I don't have a sproing doing aloing. Why are you so mad at me? What did I do?
I'm trying to act like I have like mad aura, but I kind of don't.
Yeah, you don't have aura.
Yeah.
You don't have aura, buddy. Your booty bum
Trying to act
cheeks.
like this is like a very dramatic video where I have aura and where I'm using like a low like voice.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Think so?
No. Your booty bum cheeks at this game, buddy.
Shut your. Oh god.
Well, ain't this fun?
It's day. It's day. Okay, we're good. Now what I heard, we gotta break trees.
Oh, yay.
Like you ever played Baldi's Camp or something?
No.
Oh! There's monsters too. I forgot. Yo, there's logs over there. Can you grab them? I'm gonna lure them over here.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think they like us.
Tell me when he's behind me.
They're both like nowhere near us.
Alright, this one. We're just gonna fill
Hi,
one of our
Armstrong.
bags up so when we do fight them, yeah, this guy's slow. When we do fight them, we'll just be ready for the wood and all that.
Oh.
Shit. Go. Dip.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Do we go here?
Back. Yeah, it's getting dark.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. He's talking to me. 3 logs and 3 logs.
I have to carry a little bag. You know who has a little bag?
You, teeny
You.
bag bitch.
Because you're big.
You can't.
Not even
you can't
empire worthy. I thought you were gonna put this in your bag.
I only have 5 slots in my bag.
You absolute loser.
Kill yourself.
You are a pathetic junkie. Okay. What do we do?
Do you have enough money for blue bags?
Yes.
Let's move over to those. Those will be a lot more helpful. Hell yeah, brother.
Okay.
Ow, we look like
How about let's
adventure.
go fight him?
Now?
You. Yeah, you're right. We can't kill him with like no.
We don't have enough
The
money.
best thing we can use is rocket launchers. And you know how much those are? Like tens, thousands.
Yeah, we need lots of money.
What's the fastest way to make money? I'm gonna cut the video right here. I'll be
Okay.
back with a grappler.
Yes, sir.
We're back with the grapplers, as you can see. That took like 5 minutes, but whatever.
Let's go.
Oh, wait, now that we have the grapplers, should we just start it back up with the lava wars?
Yeah.
We'll be back with lava wars. I lost my grappler down there.
Are you? Well, lucky
But look
for
what
you,
we have.
we have enough money to get you thousands.
Can you not? Yeah, who's
You already
laughing
have
now?
one.
Double wheeled.
You're not gonna be able to go anywhere.
Alright, let's sell this.
Aloing, aloing. No! Don't sell my... Oh my god, thank you, Pookie Bear! Can I have it back now, please?
Sell it and I'll give it to you.
Okay. Thank you, Pookie! Oh! Oh, look at all that money.
Nice.
Get yourself another grappler, Pookie. Like a good boy.
Think we can take him on? Wait,
Maybe, possibly, probably.
got an idea. Oh my god, look at me already spending money. I'm so sorry.
You have plenty of it. You've got 25, like, easily 25,000.
You got bombs unlocked?
Have what?
Bombs?
I have dynamite. Is that good?
Sure. What if we get crossbows and just blow them up?
I can, leave my, light and turn for a crossbow.
Okay. I don't need this pickaxe either. Oh wait, no, we do need it to break down the wood.
Yeah, dumbass.
Okay.
Clanker, 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 clanker. What's going here? Oh, and it lights itself. Hell yeah.
Oh god, this is gonna hurt my soul.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh wait, that didn't really do that much. I don't know how durable he is though.
He took like 2 rocket launcher shots one time.
What if we just stand on top of the roof and we just start like just camping him?
and we don't have to do the campfire.
Yeah, I mean he's tall, but he's not that. So
He's not that tall. Are
I
you
mean, like, I'm
gender
taller
assuming
than
in the
him,
big
but
2025? Huh? Is that what you're doing?
I didn't say anything.
You said he. You said he. I'm woke as hell. I'm a liberal. I'm kidding. I'm not a liberal. They're stupid and retarded. No, I may be stupid and retarded, but I'm not a liberal.
Gender assuming?
Are you assuming genders in the big 2025, bro? No way. Actually, we can't say a gender to literally any of these monsters because they're literally just that, monsters. They don't have genders.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I don't think he was very comfortable with that conversation.
No. Not comfortable with that. Can we? I'm not comfortable with that conversation. Can we please change the subject, sir?
No. Oh. Day? Let's go!
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That's why he died. He didn't die because of the rocket launcher shots. He died because... Yeah. Definitely. Yo, are you good?
Are
you even good at this game, bro? Oh, I missed. Uh-oh. Assuming genders in big 2025? That's crazy, for real. Oh, he's already getting trees. Dirt and logs. What's up, gang? Oh, there's Dark Force. coming, Pookie. Oh, okay, never mind.
Ow.
Uh-oh.
No!
Uh-oh.
Help me!
I don't know if I can. I'll try, hold on. Oh, he's still coming after me. Uh-oh.
Should I...
Maybe respawn? What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Ah. Fuck. Holy fuck, dude.
Ender!
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's right under me. Hi, gang.
Oh god!
Ain't that fun?
Nah, I'd win.
No, you wouldn't.
Nah, I win. Easy diff.
Joe, something's whispering. And it
Yeah,
keeps
me too.
damaging me.
Ow!
Yeah, it hurts.
Never been down. Mommy didn't raise no puss.
I think we need to get back to the fire. I'm going back to the fire. I think it was that darkness. I think the darkness was hurting us.
I honestly don't think we're able to kill him.
Yeah, probably not. Yo, I'm about to get us some food. For real, for real.
Nah!
Yo, lead him into the tripwire.
I almost fell in the tripwire.
Watch. No, bring him over.
I'm trying.
What? That's baloney.
He's invincible.
Invisible. Invisible. I'm coming. I got you, fam. Maybe. Maybe. You're gonna have to run though, like really fast.
What do you mean?
Because he's right there.
He's not really that fast.
Uh-oh.
Oh god. No, my bombs are despawning!
Why do you have... Ouchies.
I honestly don't think this challenge is possible.
Yeah, me neither.
Did we call it quits?
You know, I'd say yeah. Well, damn. Yeah, I think the challenge is over.
Honestly. I think it's over, bud.
Yeah, I think it's Jover. I think it's all over. So, chat, this is another challenge that has turned out unsuccessful.
We failed so much challenges.
How? I didn't even know.
Broke AF challenges 3-0.
Literally.
We're 0. And there's
Yeah.
3. Lock in. Okay.
I'm
Well,
about
that's
to
it for Disney.
blow.
We failed miserably. And Ender is still broke and still has a crippling gambling addiction.
Crippling. It's horrible. I can't. You put me in a casino? Everything is gone. Guaranteed.
Well, that's it. Goodbye.
Bye.